riding round with the windows down. Got me feeling too breezy, burned out. Yeah, we smelling like loud. Made this shit look easy, boy, I just sent me a milli. I sent my guap to the ceiling, yeah. Bro, boy, don't act like you feel me, nah. Bro, boy, don't act like you feel me. I'm riding round with the windows down. Got me feeling too breezy, burned out. Yeah, we smelling like loud. Made this shit look easy, boy, I just sent me a milli. I sent my guap to the ceiling, yeah. Bro, boy, don't act like you feel me, nah. Bro, boy, don't act like you feel me, nah.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Gang Fam Squad, what is up? 3,000? Right around the corner. Okay, anyways, couple BRZ vlogs coming to you live at the scene. We got new bags for the BRZ. Boom. Replace the ones I blew through like a dumbass. I don't know if we'll be replacing these this vlog. If you haven't watched that, let me give you guys the rundown real quick. Long story short, I went to switch the BRZ, which was static on coilovers, onto bags. I did not make the calculation that the bag inflated would be wider than the coilover, since I'm running a higher ET on the wheels, like 38, 18 by 10, 38. The inner barrel of said wheel rubbed through my bag, blew it out. So we have new ones from Airlift. They hooked me up. These are $150 a piece. Airlift said, yo, heard about your problem. We'll send you 2 out for $150. We'll cover shipping, everything. Don't worry about it. Airlift, you goddamn man. That doesn't solve our wheel issue. So after doing a little research, I was just gonna do a spacer for the time being. Don't have enough real estate on the fender end of it. Don't want to do a spacer. And I don't really like running spacers anyways, so there's that. And today we were gonna pick up a set of work VSXXs. They're 18 by 9.5, 15, 18 by 9.5, 30. These will clear after researching, looking on the forums, blah, blah, blah. These wheels should clear, no problem. They'll be aggressive, it'll be clean. There'll be plenty of backspace in between the wheel and the bag. We should be hunky-dory. All we gotta do is go up to Buffalo, which is like a 2-hour drive from where I'm from, and pick the wheels up. They're very clean. And I guess I will see you guys when we secure the bag. Also, sub if you're new. Peace. Boom. Package secured. VSXXs are in the bag. About to stop, grab something to eat real quick. I forgot my camera like a retard. And we're going home. Alright, so we just got to the shop. Last night was a very late night. We kind of got hit in a snow drift, so we didn't get home as expected. We got the VSXXs we're about to bring in. Over yonder here, we have what is basically the core. Broke it down, the face is over there. You'll see them when I bring them in, but they're an ugly blue. So we're gonna break them down, clean up the barrels, polish them as much as we can, and we're gonna actually send the lips out to powder coating. Just gonna show you guys the process, how to break down 3-piece wheels. It was kind of a learning experience for us yesterday as well, but we pretty much got the hang of it and down with science. So we're gonna bring the wheels in, break them all down for you guys. We'll chop this vlog up, and then we will pick it back up. I guess when the powder coating's done, we'll rebuild them. We'll rebuild the bags as well for the BRZ, so BRZ content for the next couple, so let's get into it. Okay, to be breaking these down, we are going to be using an 8mm for the front. Basically, there's a nut in the back, so what we're gonna do is break all these loose first, and to save us the time for us to not be here all day, we're gonna break them all down, and then once they're loose, we're just gonna go through them with the drill, unscrew them, same thing, start cleaning the lips, well, we don't even really need to clean these now since we're gonna send them off the powder coat, but we're gonna clean the lips up, polish them up, and break this down. Also, so you don't break your seal We're also gonna let some air out of this. We're gonna get new tires for the front anyways, but you know. Okay, so we hit all the bolts on top. All of them are loose. We're gonna take a 8mm to the back of the nut so it doesn't spin. We're gonna hit it with the drill. We're gonna pop the faces off. All the air is out of the tire, so you will not pop your silicone. And we're getting new tires on these anyways. The bead shouldn't break with no PSI in it, but even if it did, it doesn't matter. We're getting new rubbers while the faces are getting powder coated anyways, so fuck it. Alright, well, that's the second one broken, so we got 2 broke. There's the faces we're gonna send off, and 2 more to go. You guys pretty much saw the process, so we're gonna knock these 2 out, and I'll be right back. If you've been here this far, we appreciate you here. It ain't much, but it's honest work.
Hell yeah.
Alright. Well, okay. So we broke our 4 wheels down. We're gonna clean the barrels now, polish them. We need new hardware because the old stuff's clapped. New center caps because the center caps are clapped, and we got a new lug because the old lugs are clapped. I need the subscribers, please help me. Alright, so we broke down all 4. They are all pretty much the same. The only offset difference is in the actual face itself. So we got all 4 over there, as you can see. From the height difference, that is the 30 offset, that is the 15. Now we're gonna go through, clean these barrels, polish the lips up. Got new rubbers for these bad Mamba Jambas. And yeah, we're gonna polish these up. As you can see, they've seen better days. We're gonna get some shine back in these bad boys and probably wrap it up from there. Okay, so what we did is basically we hit the rims with the wheel cleaner. We're letting that soak. And then we went and I picked up some Mother's mag and aluminum polish. We also got a head. We're gonna put it on the drill because honestly, who the hell wants to polish those up by hand? So we're gonna clean them off real good, clean the barrels inside and outside. Then we're gonna hit with some polish and these hoses are gonna look brand new. This video's sponsored by Mother's Car Polish. Mother's Mag Tire and Wheel Polish. Polish. Mother's. Where's the other rag? Okay, so after a long and intensive night, we broke down the VSXXs, cleaned them up, polished them up. Might I say these guys are shining. We got the faces broken up over there. Why couldn't they just be silver so we could save all the energy? Tires are running a little stretched, not even gonna lie. So we're probably gonna just change up the front. The backs have plenty of meat on them, so we're gonna swap two, get two. But first thing tomorrow, we are gonna send those faces off to powder coating. We're gonna get them back in a brilliant silver. Wait for all the other stuff to come in. Probably just tuck these away for now. And then once we get the faces back, we'll put on the new hardware. Go put new meats on the front. Go put new bolts and nuts by work. Everything else. And then last but not least, we can put it on the BRZ. And then once it's all done, we're probably gonna take it to the body shop because there's a small number of dents and dings. Not many, but we just want it really perfect for the year. So after it's all done, we're gonna send the BRZ to the body shop. The GTR is gonna follow it like a week later. So all the cars are gonna be for season. But we're pretty much wrapping up here. So I just wanna say thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys didn't know how to break down 3-piece wheels, now you do. You know, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Although my heart may be weak, it's not alone. It's grown with each new experience, and it's found a home with all the friends I've made. I've become part of their heart just as they've become a part of mine. And if they think of me now and then, if they don't forget me, then our hearts will be one. I don't need a weapon.
Yeah.
My friends are my power.